everyone, and welcome to SmartCon Day 2. My name is Rory Piant, and I am the Director of Community for Chainlink. I want to thank all the speakers, team members, and community members for making Day 1 a huge success. Day 2 will be building on this momentum as we deliver another 10 hours of the biggest speakers in DeFi, blockchain gaming, and NFTs. There are a few things that I want to highlight on today's agenda. We have presentations from Sergey Nazarov, the co-founder of Chainlink; Ari Jules, the technical advisor for Chainlink; Eamon Gunsayer, founder and CEO of Aave Labs; Don Song, the founder and CEO of Oasis Labs; Justin Moses, the CTO of Synthetix; Siddhartha Jha, the founder and CEO of Arbol, along with Dean Tribble, the co-founder and CEO of Agoric. This is not to mention all the great panels, interactive sessions, and networking that is available for all attendees. Please make sure to check out the schedule for more details. Always remember, if you're sharing thoughts, clips, or a daily rundown of what is happening on Twitter, make sure to hashtag SmartCon, and we'll do everything we can to support you. For those of us joining us today for the first time, I want to go over some very simple community guidelines, along with a few helpful tips that will allow you to get the most out of the conference. First, please be respectful to all attendees, speakers, and organizers. Treat others as you would like to be treated, and you should be just fine. Second, let's keep the conversations related to the conference. Always remember, you can always hop in many of our other social channels to ask a question that may not directly be related to the conference. We want to create an atmosphere where everyone is welcome to interact and ask constructive questions. This is a place to learn, connect, and interact. We invite you to take advantage of that. Here's some helpful information and tips for a great experience. We have many interactive sessions. You can find those on the session tab to the left of your screen. Many of those sessions will give you an opportunity not only to just listen, but actually become part of the conversation. Make sure to take full advantage of the networking feature. This is a great place to meet people that share your interests. There are always people looking to build great teams, and this is a great opportunity to meet them. Lastly, visit the Expo booth to learn more about some of the projects joining us here throughout the conference. Again, thank you for joining us, and welcome to the Smart Contract Summit Day 2. We're going to be going into just a short break. When we do, we're going to be joined by Patrick McNabb of SDL. Really looking forward to this one. Stay tuned.